In this video, I'm going to show you how to render transparent PNG images in Blender. First, just click on the camera icon like so, and then go to the Output Properties tab and scroll down, and you will find Media Type, and under File Format, just click on the drop down and make sure PNG is selected, and for color make sure RGBA is selected, so your image includes an alpha channel for transparency. Now just go to Render Properties tab, which is just above the Output tab like so, and at the bottom you will see a film. Just click on the drop down for film, and you will see an option for transparent. Make sure to toggle on transparent like so, and this will make the world background invisible in your render. Now just go to the render menu at the top left and click on render image. Just wait for the render to finish, and once you have done that, go ahead and save it. Just go to image and click on save as, and save your image. Let's say I want to name it as guide, so I'll just write it and click on save as an image like so. So when I now go to File Explorer and open my PNG file, you will see that we have successfully exported our transparent background PNG image in Blender. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.